Hello world, Darin Martineau, ProMagicArt.com. In today's video I'm going to do a book review of my mentor's newest book called Card Theater by Allan Ackerman. It's one of the best new books on card magic, and I'm going to talk about why, and I'm going to talk about what makes it so incredible. Allan is one of the best magicians in the world, and I've said that for years. Now he's Gary Darwin has passed away, as many of you know, and he's continuing to mentor, and he's in charge of the Las Vegas Wednesday Night Magic Clubs as well, which in the future I'm going to do some videos with Allan as well. His book Card Theater is just so awesome, okay? He has a new version of Everywhere and Nowhere in it. He's got a no palming traveler's routine in there. He's got my favorite routine in the book is the Technicolor splits, which we'll do some performance videos, and I'll also refer you to Allan's YouTube channel as well. So put in Allan Ackerman's YouTube channel, and you can see he's got videos, performance videos on there, and explanation videos as well, coming soon. Many new things. Now, in his book, what he's done is he's got tools, new card techniques, revolutionary new magic, and I want to highly recommend his book Card Theater. So check it out. Go on to allanackerman.com and you can get your copy today. So definitely check it out, and I will make a more in-depth book review on this later and an interview with Allan Ackerman in the future. Have a good day.